Guys, we have had such a great year. We're showing the most profit we've ever had. So, without further ado, let's have a great Christmas party here. I really appreciate you guys, and I'd hope you enjoy all your Christmas gifts.
You really didn't have to, boss. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.
That's right. You can make as much money as you want all year long because of all the spiffs that we pay. Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, you get to save all that gas money by driving the company vehicle home to and from work every single day. Merry Christmas. Remember when we were slow and I gave you all those hours, non-productive hours paid? That was for you, buddy. Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, all that free paid training while you're on the clock, sending you to different places all over the states so you can earn a better education and get better at what you do. Merry Christmas. I know I shouldn't have. But hey, when you spend all your money on Red Bulls and cigarettes, you still got a tool account. And I'm paying your insurance, or most of it. Merry Christmas.
You guys really.
We got
didn't
something
have
for
to
you
do
too,
this.
boss.
Like, come on. I just appreciate you guys so much. So, well, thank you so much. This is so nice.
That's right. While you're in the office talking about how hot it is, we're in the crawl space attics and on rooftop units on the hottest and coldest days of the year. Merry Christmas, boss.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
We're going back all the time fixing the installer fuck-ups that you will do nothing about. Thanks a lot. Merry Christmas, boss.
Can't wait to see what this is.
You guessed it, we work lots of overtime, countless overtime hours worked, and we try to complain minimally about it while we're being taken away from our families and our
Looks
children.
Like a good one.
Merry Christmas. I knew you were gonna be excited about this one. We got to put up with grumpy dispatchers. They have a bad day, we have a bad day. And guess what? Nothing gets done about it. Thanks a lot, boss. Merry Christmas. All for you, boss. We put up with ridiculous customers day in and day out, all on your behalf. And guess what? While you're at home unwrapping presents, we're out running service calls on holidays. Merry Christmas.